For the monkey vase, we'll be using 5 balloons. I've got a white 5-inch round that I've inflated to about 1.5 to 2 inches. Trim the nozzle off very closely on the end there. I've got a blush 260 inflated almost to the end, leaving about a 1/2 inch of a nipple on the end. 2 mocha 260s, each inflated with about a 4-inch tail left on the end. And then a mocha 350 with about a 4-inch tail as well. We'll start with a 350. For our monkey's head, we're going to start with about 1.5 to 2 inch bubble. And then we're going to make about a 1-inch bubble. Make it into a pinch twist. About a 2-inch bubble, followed by another 1-inch bubble. And again, make this into a pinch twist. This is a version of a monkey head that John, the Balloon Man Home, showed me. Thanks, John. I'd use it slightly different than his technique, but it's based on the head that he shared with me some time back. Now what you want to do is you want to grab and you're going to try to bring this and this, the base of the 2 ears together, making this a giant pinch twist in the middle. So grab and kind of pull out and just spin that entire head assembly around so that you get that. What you've got basically is this is almost like a giant pinch twist in the middle, turned running this way, with the 2 pinch twists on the side to make your 2 ears. Now we're going to make a little short neck, about 1.5 inches. Make a little 1-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. Figure out about how long you want your body to be. I'm going to go with about 6 inches. Make another 1-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist, and then we're going to take the rest of this off. Tie that up. Now we're going to take our white 5-inch round. I'm going to twist it into 2 smaller bubbles by pushing the knot up in the middle and then twisting it in half so that you get 2 like that. Now come in from behind the monkey's head and bring one of those bubbles up on either side of his head, around to the front, and then I'll spin them over once to lock them in place, giving our monkey some nice big bug eyes. Just like that. Here, I'll let you see what it's got, the effect we're going to get. Some eyes there. Now you can see what our monkey's face is going to look like there. We're going to set that aside. We're going to take one of our mochas 260s, make about a 1-inch bubble, and then we're going to make about a 5-inch fold twist here. And we're going to come up, take this, make about a 6-inch, 6.5 inch bubble, twist that into the ear twist at the base of his head, run down his body, squeeze it out a little bit till you get to that pinch twist at the bottom, and then go around it. And then we're going to come out till we get almost to the end. Twist off about a 6-inch bubble there, and then twist a small 1/2 inch bubble out of that, make it a pinch twist. And there's one of his feet. And then I'll take and twist a little small bubble on the end of that, and then turn that into a fold twist. Now we're going to repeat the process with our second bubble. So 1-inch bubble, 4 or so inch fold twist. Now you want to take and measure to get your 2 arms the same. Twist that into the base, down to the bottom. Get your 2 legs to be about the same size. Pinch twist, little bubble, fold twist, and there's our monkey's feet. And bring the 2 hands up to the front, twist those 2 fold twists together. So we get our monkey's hands locking together like that. This is going to hold our flowers. Take our 2 legs and fold them in half and shape them a little bit. Now we're going to take our blush 260, grab the knot end, come up to the base of his neck, twist that in around that pinch twist to secure it. We're going to give him a light colored belly, so run it down in between those two mochas that you have around the tail. Come back out the back. And I'm going to take this pinch twist on the bottom and twist it in half. The two smaller bubbles. That gives our monkey a little bottom there and also forces that tail more out the back. Then you take his tail and just curl it up like a snail all the way up to the back of the monkey. Give it a little squeeze around there to give it a nice curl. And then position our monkey so he'll sit. The tail will help him sit up. And then, there we go. You take your flowers or whatever, poke them down into the middle. And he's not wanting to sit very well. Sometimes you have to work with these guys just a little bit, spray his legs out. And there's our little monkey vase.